No.
G'day guys, it's Calvin and Jason from the Cartoon Company. And what don't we do, Jace? JZs. We don't do JZs.
Yes we do.
We don't do JZs.
Yes we do.
And just to prove it, that we don't, here happens to be a Tom's Performance ECU for a JZA80
Oh, that must be a 2J.
with a manual transmission.
Oh.
Let's see what they did in here, eh?
Holy shit. Added shit to it.
So they added an extra daughter board. It's got the JZA manual transmission chip written on there. This one's in for a bit of a repair and a check over. The caps, just a little bit of bulging at the bottom. Good time to get them done before they're totally stuffed. I actually thought it was in here, around here, where there's like a bit of corrosion around this main chip as well. There's a bit of something happening right around there, and it's possible that that's been changed as well. But there you go, Tom's ECU for a 2JZ out of a JZA80. Now to haul it apart and give it a service. We still don't do JZs.